everyone! Welcome back to Auto Nihon! Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and talked about vehicles coming down the pipeline, the 2026 BMW X3M. But here's the twist. This isn't your typical high-performance crossover anymore. With rumors swirling about electrification, major design updates, and even some potential name changes, let's break it all down right now. For years, the BMW X3M has been the go-to choice for enthusiasts who want blistering performance in an SUV package. Its twin turbocharged V8 engine, yes, you heard that right, has made it a beast on both roads and tracks alike. But everything is changing, because there are strong indications that the gasoline-powered X3M might be no more after its current generation ended production in 2024. That's right, folks. According to reports from BMW Blog and other reliable sources, BMW may not release another traditional internal combustion X3M. Instead, they're shifting gears entirely toward electrification, a move that aligns perfectly with their broader strategy for the next decade. So what does this mean for fans of the X3M badge? Well, if rumors hold true, we'll see an all-electric successor around 2026-2027. It could be called the iX3M, though BMW hasn't confirmed the exact naming yet. What we do know is that this new model will sit atop the lineup as the performance-oriented electric SUV, and trust me when I say, it's going to pack some serious punch. This future EV is expected to ride on BMW's cutting-edge Neue Klasse platform, a modular architecture designed specifically for electric vehicles. Not only will it offer more power than today's gasoline X3M, but it'll also deliver lightning-fast acceleration thanks to instant torque delivery from its motors. We're talking 0-60 times that might rival supercars. And don't worry, BMW knows how important handling is for an M car. Expect advanced suspension systems, rear-wheel steering, and possibly even torque vectoring to ensure this electric SUV drives like a dream. But hey, not everyone's ready to make the jump to full electrification just yet. If you still crave the roar of a combustion engine, BMW has something special lined up for you too, the 2026 X3 M50. The X3 M50 replaces the beloved M40i and takes things up a notch. Under the hood lies a turbocharged 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine paired with a mild hybrid system, delivering a whopping 393 horsepower. That's enough to give you plenty of thrills while maintaining everyday usability. And speaking of usability, BMW is reportedly stepping up their game inside the cabin. Starting later in 2025, expect improved materials, better switchgear, and upgraded tech throughout the X3 range, including the M50. So whether you're commuting or carving corners, you'll feel pampered every step of the way. Visually, the 2026 X3 brings fresh styling that blends aggression with sophistication. Think slimmer headlights, a bolder grille, and sleek taillights, all hallmarks of BMW's latest design language. And if those spy photos of the iX3 prototype are anything to go by, the performance variant will add sportier touches like unique alloy wheels and lowered suspension. Inside, technology reigns supreme. The updated iDrive system promises smoother operation and enhanced connectivity options, making life easier behind the wheel. Plus, over-the-air updates mean your vehicle can stay cutting-edge long after purchase. So there you have it, the 2026 BMW X3M saga. While the iconic gasoline-powered version may be bowing out, BMW is ushering in a bold new era of performance with electrification leading the charge. Whether you choose the raw power of the X3 M50 or embrace the silent fury of the upcoming iX3M, one thing's for sure. The spirit of the X3M lives on. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Do you prefer sticking with combustion engines, or are you ready to embrace the EV revolution? Either way, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more automotive updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.